Hello students, I'm going to show you how to draw Lewis dot structure. Okay, so before you should know what is Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. I have written the definition. So that is pictorial representation of valence electrons as dots around the symbol of the atom. So instead of writing 2 valence electron, 5 valence electron, 6 valence electrons in numbers, we are going to show you as dots. And so we should know how many valence electrons are there for every atom, for each atom. Then we are going to put that many dots around the atom symbol. So it's pretty simple. And that is the way how to put the dots. You shouldn't be putting the dots randomly, something like that. So there is a certain way how to put the dots. I'm going to show you that. It's really easy. You're going to get this in a minute. Okay. So first, step one, what you have to do is you have to write the symbol. So step one, you have to write the symbol. Let's take for any atom. Okay. Some atom X. X can be any atom. Then you should know from the periodic table how many valence electrons are there for X. And maximum, you know that maximum there can be 8 valence electrons for an atom in the periodic table. So 8 is the maximum number of valence electron possible. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I should have an imaginary square around the symbol. Now I'm going to place that 8 valence electrons around the symbol. So you don't have to draw the square, just you have to visualize, that's it. You have to imagine the square like that. Okay, so I'm going to put the first valence electron. I'm going to put the first valence electron on any one of the side. So you have left, right, top, and bottom. You can start from any side. Okay, so I'm going to start the east. Okay, so let me put first electron here. Where should the second valence electron go? Not on the same side, because electrons, they have same charges, right? So they want to stay away from each other. Then you have to go to the next side. So second valence electron. Then the third valence electron will be coming here. So either you can go counterclockwise or clockwise. That's your choice. Okay. And you can start from any direction also. You can pick up top or bottom, left or right, your choice. You can start from any direction. Then the fourth one will go to the bottom side. Okay. Now, where should the fifth valence electron go? And square has only 4 sides. Now all the 4 sides have been filled. So where should the fifth valence electron go? The fifth valence electron will pair up with the first electron. See, now it goes like that. See, you have to put it in the east side, wherever you started with the first electron. Then you have to follow the pattern. Sixth one, then seventh one, then eighth one. Now it's completely done. See how many valence electron maximum? 1. Let me go follow the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So maximum 8 valence electrons can be there. Okay, and I told you that you don't have to draw the square. Actually, it's not necessary. Just you should be able to see. You should be able to visualize that. That's it. So it's a neat pattern. So when you put up the dots, it should fit into the 4 sides of the square. That's what I meant. Okay, so now I'm going to take a couple examples. Okay. See, we are talking about fluorine atom and the aluminum atom when we discussed about the valence electrons, right? So I will do the same thing then. So I will go with first fluorine atom. So the symbol for fluorine atom, you know that? Yes, that is F. And look at your periodic table and tell me how many valence electrons are there for fluorine. And check fluorine. It's in group 17. So can you guess how many valence electrons are there in group 17? You're right, 7 valence electron. So as usual, I want to start from this direction. So let me put 1. And where should I go? 2. Then I'm following a pattern. 3. Then 4. And I need to fill more because there are 7 valence electrons, right? So keep going. 5. 6. And 7. That's it. This is the perfect Lewis dot structure, electron dot structure for fluorine. Why don't we do one more? Okay, can we do for aluminum? Okay. So what is the symbol for aluminum? I'm waiting for you. Al. Aluminum atomic number 13. It's in group 13 too. So how many valence electrons are there for the atoms in group 13? You know that. Check your periodic table. Yes, 3 valence electrons for aluminum. So now I have to put 3 dots. So starting from here, 1, 2, and then 3. That's it. So now let me go over the definition one more time. So this time it makes more sense. See, Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure, that is pictorial representation of valence electron as dots around the symbol of the atom. So you should know how many valence electrons are there when you draw Lewis dot structure. And you have to put the dots around the symbol of the atom. And that is the pattern as I explained. So follow the pattern and make sure the dots should fit in the 4 sides of your imaginary square. So when you do this, you will get very perfect, very good Lewis dot structure, good looking Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one and you're going to try. Can you try for what atom? Maybe nitrogen. Okay, can you try for nitrogen? Pause the video. Nitrogen symbol is N. Nitrogen symbol is N. So pause the video and you try by yourself. Then you can check the answer. Okay, hope you had the same answer as me. I know nitrogen is in group 15, so it has 5 valence electrons. So I'm going to put 5 valence electrons. So let's start from one direction, 1. And the second one goes, see, look at this one. I'm following the same pattern. And 2 on the top, 3 left side, and 4th one at the bottom. 5th one, I just paired up with the first one. I hope you had the same thing. Okay. Okay, tell me, if you have any questions. Hope this helps, and let us know if you have any questions. We will do a little bit more practice in the class also. Okay, good luck.